Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word enticing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The enticing aroma of freshly baked cookies wafted through the house, tempting everyone to indulge in a sweet treat. Enticing means attractive or tempting, causing someone to be interested or excited about something due to its appealing or alluring qualities. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.